You're wearing a coat.
It's raining.
I don't care if it's raining. I want to go like this. I'm gonna wet my hair anyways. Man, it really is raining. Look at all the leaves. There's a leaf there. There's a leaf over there. Oh my god, look at all the leaves on the ground. So, we're gonna see my grandma.
Hopefully we don't get lost.
Hopefully we don't get lost. Well, don't you remember how to get... No, didn't she move?
The road is closed. Yeah, she moved.
She moved too. Oh, okay. So yeah, we're gonna see her. Yeah. Say hi.
We just went to a corn range.
Want to say something to the camera?
Hi.
You want to see yourself?
Oh.
Nope.
So what's your favorite color?
Red.
Red?
Okay.
Okay.
There you go.
There we go.
There you go, right next to you. That way you can relax.
Want to play with it?
And the other one goes down.
It's a carnival ride.
Oh, well, it goes up.
You make your feet go up, your middle go up, and everything.
I can't get over that you two showed up.
Mm-hmm.
Well, of course we did. It was hard to do it, but we did it.
There's like zillion things going here, there, and everywhere, and I can't drive at night, so. And I work during the day. When I get home, it's starting to get dark out. I can't see at night. You know that. It's hard to drive at night.
Yeah.
Booga booga. Want to say anything? Want to say anything?
Yeah. Whoa. Ooh. Right here.
What did you do?
I touched it.
Don't touch it again. Shut up. Uh-oh. Now someone's gonna come.
Uh-oh. I don't know what I did, but I did something.
What is happening? Oh my god, that's getting annoying. Did you press something?
No, I think I did. What's it say?
Hey, back into the rain.
She seemed a lot better.
What?
She did seem a lot better.
Yeah, like...
Except
She,
the fact she wants to... I think
yeah, she really wants to leave, but her memory, it seems like she remembers a lot more.
Mm-hmm.
Like, she at least remembered us. She remembered other people's names. Like, that's better. She wants to leave.
I know.
I mean, it's not like we can even take her anywhere because it would be too hard. And it's so much darker out. Wait, when is daylight savings?
Next Sunday, we get an extra hour of sleep.
Oh, we get an extra hour.
Yeah.
That's good.
In other words, we go to bed at 8, and all of a sudden becomes 7.
Yay. What, we're getting a new car?
We are, man,
We are.
How about that one?
Can we afford it? Look at that giant cloud. Oh my god, these floors are slippery. Whoa, I'm a slip. Oh, soup sensual. No, never.
What? It said Jeff.
That does not say Jeff.
It did.
Hello. I didn't mean to startle you. Ask a question, then hit the button.
When will I get famous?
My sources say no.
I said, when will I get famous? And it said no.
Startle you. Ask a question, then hit the button.
Will I get famous?
Cannot predict now.
Predict not? No, I'm just gonna keep asking.
Hello, friend. Ask a question, then hit the button.
When will I hit 10,000 subs? Or will I?
You may rely on it.
What are you doing?
Hello, friend. Ask a question, then hit the button.
Will I get famous on YouTube?
Most likely.
Sweet. It took 7 tries.
Hey, look, I'm Hillary.
You're Hillary? What are you doing?
Meow, meow.
Ow.
This is heaven for me. Candy everywhere. Candy, candy, candy. Candy. Hey, that's not candy. No, it just says it contains wheat soy.
I guarantee there's not making it.
But it's only to taste like pumpkin spice.
Well, pumpkin spice is not making it.
Yeah, but God, it's really pouring. Don't touch mine.
Pizza Hut pizza.
So since it's really late, I decided to get some pizza because when we get home, I don't want to wait. I don't want to wait too long. So it's time to eat
Pizza Hut.
Don't do that again.
Pizza Hut.
Don't do that again, ever again. This is so peaceful. Why is the car running? It's so peaceful, just eating pizza.
Rain coming down.
Yeah, it's raining. It's really dark.
Then you gotta go home and eat turkey.
Alright, time to go into Giant and get really wet. Oh my god. Look at all these puddles. Oh my god, it's so deep. I'm safe. I'm finally safe. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's raining and it's supposed to get worse. It's so cold in this store. Oh my god. Is it cold? Oh my god. I just want to sit in front of a heater right now. Oh no, into the darkness. Literally, it's like super dark and rainy. Man, what time do we leave? Like 3? It's like 6 o'clock now. It's like super dark. Oh my god, there's so much rain. Yo, look at the fog. Is that rain? Is that rain or fog?
I think it's smoke.
Smoke? Wait, why would there be smoke?
From their fireplace.
So, I'm really loving this diet. Guys, I finally changed my shirt after like 3 days. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new. Wait, I just said that the wrong order. Wait a minute. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you're not new and you're still watching, hit that subscribe button. Like, come on. And, I think the next vlog will be the Halloween vlog. So, I hope you guys are excited for that.